Hello students. Today I have come up with the vocabulary section of unit 1, 2 and 3 of your Mohar, that is words in use. Let's start with unit 1, the boy who broke the bank. Complete this paragraph with words from the text with the help of the clues. Clues are given in bracket. Have you heard the rumor? I cried. This particular word you will find in para 13 of the chapter as I dashed into the classroom. Mrs. Sharma is going to hold a surprise test. Nupur fell off the bench and yelled. Para 17. Oh dear, but I'm not ready. Where did you hear this? I heard the office help ask someone to print out 30 copies of the paper in time for Mrs. Sharma's class, I said. But our unit test got over just last week, grumbled Murthy, Grumbled. Para 1 you will find this word. Maybe she wants to give us practice paper. Naz speculated. Para 21. Just then the bell rang. We all rushed to our seats as Mrs. Sharma walked in. I should have stayed home sick today, muttered Murthy under his breath. We all looked at Mrs. Sharma anxiously. She said, children, the government has declared a holiday tomorrow, so I thought we could solve an old question paper over the long weekend. We only heard the word holiday and the room exploded with cheers. We chanted. Chanted word you'll find in para 27. You are the best, Mrs. Sharma. You are the best. This is A part. Now we'll do B part. Replace the highlighted words with the correct expressions from the box. Use the expressions in their correct form. The police are searching for a middle-aged man with a scar on his left cheek in connection with the spate of robberies in Chennai. So, we are going to replace it with the police are on the lookout. Mr. Roberts can't come to school today. She has a viral fever and is suffering very much. She has a viral fever and she is in a bad way. I smelled freshly baked cake as soon as I entered the house, so I headed straight for the kitchen. Headed straight means made a beeline for. If I don't come to play today, blame it on the project. It's due tomorrow. Blame it on, that is, put it down to. Let's do Unit 2, the Narayanpur incident. For each of these phrases, find a word in the text that has nearly the same meaning. With an excited, impatient feeling, para 9, eagerly, to a great degree, para 15, immensely, spoken or written statement that is clear and forceful, para 17, declaration, go away or leave, para 19, quit, looked very carefully because something was difficult to see, para 26, peered, in a state of watchfulness, para 27, alert, suddenly frightened, para 27, startled, watching or observing secretly, para 44, spying, carried with difficulty. Para 55. Luggage. Say loudly. Para 67. Announce. Now be part of Unit 2. Complete the sentences by using the correct time expression from the box. Note that presently means before long, not at present. Dash for printing books. In those days, for printing books, they used to set the type by hand. Nowadays, it is done by machines, of course. We have no more places on this course at this moment, but if you leave your address, we'll get in touch with you. I'm not sure where she is at present, but if you give me your telephone number, I'll talk to her. I'll ask her to call you. Please wait here for a while. The doctor will see you presently. I lived in Bhutan in the 1990s at the same time as Meera. Let's come to Unit 3. So, what are you anyway? Rewrite each sentence to bring out the meaning of the underlined words. I took a sip of the drink and grims I had forgotten I added sugar. I took a sip of the drink and frowned with disgust. I had forgotten to add sugar. Second, what baffles me is how the thieves got into the house without breaking any of the locks. I was puzzled to find that the thieves broke into the house without breaking any of the locks. Third one, Regina's lips quivered when she saw the boys hitting the stray cat with stones. Regina was heartbroken to see the boys hitting the stray cat with stones. Fourth one, my mouth dropped when I saw Usain Bolt run the 100-meter race in 9.58 seconds. I was amazed to see Usain Bolt run the 100-meter race in 9.58 seconds. Fifth one, I swallowed hard when I saw how high the mountain we would be climbing was. The answer is, the very idea of climbing up the high mountain made me panic. The last one, sixth, Nikhil didn't want his uncle to leave. He pleaded with him to stay for a few more days. Answer is, Nikhil didn't want his uncle to leave. He begged with him to stay for a few more days. Now children, that's all Unit 1, 2 and 3. In my next video, I'll be taking up rest of the units. Thank you.